If you're carrying this and this gets hit, anyone within a 5 meter radius is dead.
Oh, I didn't know that.
If you get hit with the bomb, that's where it lives. You just drop it. Wherever you get hit from. If you're running and you get hit and you carry a bit forward, you got to go back and put it back from where you got hit. 2 rounds of it we'll swap sides. So the first set of defenders and we'll go attack and we'll make it work. How do you want to divide?
I'm going to sneak up to the left and keep them going.
Well, I might go right to the guts then and just try to carry the bomb as far as I can.
Yeah.
Sweet. You guys ready?
There you go. Get,
You guys ready? Yep.
get off.
3,
Not
2,
safe.
1, game on!
Right here in front of us.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a streak, who can catch me when I'm falling? Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this.
I wouldn't stand behind the other guy.
That was close.
I'll wait till they use it. I can't see anyone. Can't believe I made that. Where is the bomb? Oh yeah. I'll try and give you some cover. Yeah, you're pretty good. I've got them pinned down. But none of them at the moment. You're shooting at me. I'll move so they shooting somewhere else. Yeah, I'll go to the snake and then move to the other side. And then they'll shoot at me. Right, you ready? I'll pop up and start shooting. He got hit and the bomb didn't make it to the base. Yeah, it's time to get the pistol out. Oh shit, I can't see your hand up because of the sun glare. I wanted to stand there with your hand up. I can't see shit. We'll go back. He's just standing there with his hand up, but I can't see because of the sun glare. All I can see is I couldn't see his hand. It was funny, he's standing there with his hand up, but because of the sun glare I couldn't see, so I shot the shit out of him.
I reckon what we do is we hard push. Well, actually no, we don't do that. You can't hear me.
It's up over here, eh? It's real close.
We need to get the bomb back up.
Oh, you bring it back?
Yeah, bring it back.
That's cool.
Yeah, do I need to move forward? Yeah. Do I have a little bit up to You're right.
You're fucking kidding. Hit. I can you. Waiting to get shot. Hold on, reloading this way. Yep. Woo.
Do the game where we put all the guns in the middle, grab your gun before we run away. Then just calm the thunder. Everyone clear and safe, please.
That was fun. Well, that was a good little warm up.
Clicks away. If you're red team, you just catch it. Make sure that light's blinking. You're green, you gotta hold to neutralise, continue to hold to capture. And the green light blinks. When the game's over, it'll beep, and if we get to it, or if you're near it and it finishes, yell out game over, so we all know, and then we'll check the score, and whoever's got the highest time wins. Come on, that's legit. But you can't fly out of that rust hole.
Just don't be dull.
Yeah.
The number one rule in all airsoft clubs is don't be a dick.
It is number one rule.
You
Can you see them? Is it safe to run past?
You go.
I would have said watch to your left, but I was dead. Shit, I just got that in the neck. Has he got the shotgun? Where is he? I think we need some payback.
He'll be putting the bomb there.
Yeah, he's probably at the bomb. You better go for it. Yeah, someone's looking. Ah! Hit! I did back that. You've got the bomb for sure, I'd say. I just got 2.
Bring it!
Oh, grenade. Whoa!
Bring out!
You move up.
Ow, me thingy. Sorry, good work, lad.
Watch out, your grenade's gonna go. Oh, we're not allowed to shoot out that peep, are we?
Yeah, we're allowed to out that.
Oh, we are?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's lucky to go off, eh? Scared the shit out of them though a bit.
Oh, no, yes.
I bet that scared him. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, man.
Bees are flying down here. Oh, hit. Oh shit.
He just pushed up on
We got the bomb, we better try and keep it.
Left side.
Oh fuck,
Who
reach
holds
one
the bomb?
there you go. You're loading another grenade. Are they out there? Right. It's ugly. Oh! What the? Must have been close. I'm not sure if I got hit or not. Where was that coming from? See it coming past. Whoa! Hit! That was scary. That was pretty scary. I just got shot in the face point blank. Whoa! Grenade right there. That would be the vantage point. Oh shit!
So hard to see with that sun there.
Oh shit, sorry, fuck. I didn't even mean to pull the trigger. Oh. Oh. Got a dead teammate. We know man should be shot. My trigger is touchy. I think I've got them scared down the right hand side. Oh, hit.
I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff.
Oh, traded.
Man, I always
But
stay
yeah,
up.
far to
Don't
go.
let 'em see you, bitch. Always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy. It was built to be rough. But that's
Right,
what
I'm
makes a
rushing up on that
personality is tragedy, bro. So keep your head on your shoulders, son. We ain't out here moving rocks. We out here moving boulders, son. We ain't getting posterized. We out here making posters, and we ain't got nothing
this
to
sounds
hide. We
terrible.
move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bro.
One of our
Fuck the
teammates
game
got
up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Same us for the way up. Play the game, bro. Never stop. Don't get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit. Keep going till I.
I was wrong that time. Didn't think anyone would be guarding the bomb, but it was. Let's go get it. And the trigger finger.
I'm always working to change, but she's still working the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly. While my actions try to see they be hiding in privacy. With the screen on the irony to it, someone is trying to be whatever
Reagan.
they would like to be. We all feel
Be running up.
where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, is killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities, so do better. Work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say never, and turn your mind into the truest of go-getters. Never stop, don't get it if I want it. Gotta make
Got sneaky Katie there.
so won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, man. You know I'm always honest, never stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, man.
Teammate. I'll just stay here and have a rest.
No thanks. I can't see him. I know he's there.
Regan's down there, yeah. Regan's going back, I'd run for the bomb. Jeepers. Ah.
Yeah, got from other angles.
Many times.
My hand like step behind me, it's like I'm fucking dead, and then kind of pats me in the back and runs off.
No, the other end.
No, yeah, no, I suppose so.
Yep.
Ready? Ready?
No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation.
Shooting at the other guy. Come on, shoot straight, damn you.
I just go till I drop. Whether it's working or shots, give it all that I got.
One more reload.
Watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. Wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent. Cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and
Fair side.
put it on the line and you'll come up empty. Time I'm deadly. Never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready.
Yep.
I got a hand real steady. Look me in the eye and you'll see no
I think I've got some provided with both guns.
great 16 like 20.
Bloody stuck here. Oh fuck. That doesn't sound good. Ah, damn! I thought your gun had crapped out, so I was going to hunt you down. Yep. Oh shit!
I'll jump out.
Did I shoot you in the hand?
I don't know how.
What? I've seen all three of those. I got a good view of all three of them hitting me right in the eye.
Right, I think that's the end of another day.